Welcome back to our Python series. In today's video, we'll explore type conversion and casting in Python. We'll learn how to convert data types, why it's important, and practice with hands-on examples. Whether you're a beginner or revisiting Python concepts, this video will help you master type conversion and casting in no time. So let's get started. Before diving into examples, we'll understand what type conversion and casting mean. So type conversion is a process of converting one data type into another. And casting means when you manually convert a data type using a specific Python functions like int, float, str, etc. It's called casting. In Python, we have two types of conversion, implicit conversion and explicit conversion. We'll first talk about implicit type conversion. Python sometimes convert data types automatically when it's safe to do so. This is called implicit type conversion. We'll see this example here. Here, integer value is an int and float value is a float. Python automatically converts the int to a float during the addition operation because it's safe. The result is a float. So Python takes care of implicit conversion when no data is lost, but sometimes we need to manually convert data types. That's where explicit conversion comes in. Now let's talk about explicit type conversion or casting, where we manually change one data type to another using functions like int, float, str, and more. Int float value removes the decimal part and keeps only the integer. Int string value converts a numerical string into an integer. Similarly, float integer value adds a decimal point to the integer, and float string value converts a numeric string to a float. Similarly, str function converts any data type like integer or float into a string. Sometimes we encounter errors when performing type conversion. We'll see a common mistake. Here we see a string hello. So if a string contains non-numeric characters, it cannot be converted into an integer or float. Here the try except block handles the error gracefully, which is also called exception handling. We'll cover exception handling in the later video. Now it's time for a hands-on exercise. Here's the task. Ask the user to input two numbers as strings, convert those two inputs into integers, perform arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and show the results. Pause the video, try this on your own, and let me know in the comment how it went. If you face any issues, I'll be happy to help. So, to summarize, today we learned about type conversions in Python, including implicit conversions, which is done automatically by Python, and explicit conversions using functions like int, float, and str. Please make sure to practice these concepts and try out the exercise. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so you won't miss another Python tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.